Okay, hello and welcome. It's time for the Death Tower show. I already had one stab at this and I failed miserably. There wasn't a save point anywhere, so could have problems here. Oh, great. Aha, take that. Oh my god, it's so clunky. Step on that. Yes. Okay, right. Let's carry on. Yeah, I'm slightly better at the combat, but not a hell of a lot better, I must say. Oh, you can just run across there. Oh. Yeah, oh my god, it takes a bit of getting used to, I must admit. Yeah. Oh, they've gone down this way. Take that, you scoundrels. Yeah, so level 8, I'm assuming there's 8 bastard levels to get through. I got up to 7 just now, but there wasn't a shit in now, it's mine. Don't do that, mate. Right, what should we do? Roll? Somehow that worked. Okay, so, right. The hell? Right, see, things like that are just aren't fair, they're just not fair. This one's fucking indestructible. Well, I'm not amused now. Not amused. Now you fucking die, bastard. Okay, so that switch opens the opposite door, so we've got to go right around. So it's a tower, in effect. So if we keep going this way, we'll end up at the other side. It's a miracle that wasn't activated then. Oh, shit. Okay. Sorry about that. Had a delivery. Not Werther's original, but I'm going to have a Werther's original because I think it may help. Right, come on. Let's do this. Not messing about here. Not messing about. Let's recharge our doodad. Yep. Okay. Let's get our force field out. Not that I ever remember to use the bastard thing. For fuck's sake. Oh, great. That's what I'm fucking talking about right there. It's the Werther's original. Of course. Oh, good. True. Take this, you swines. Yes. Okay, we ain't got to bother with the other switch. We can just go up here now. Okay, level 7. Right. This is as far as I got up here. Oh, it's one of them bastards. One step ahead of you, old boy. Good, good. Ah. Okay, what's that down there? That doesn't sound good. Shit. Okay, good. Nothing up there by the looks of it. I keep forgetting to use my generator. Right, can't go there, gotta go that way, okay. What is the matter with you, John? Look at this crap. Yeah, so I did that earlier and it didn't jump over just walked right through it. Well, actually I didn't. Do you like that? Do you like that? Shit. Down. Oh my God's sake. Ah, right. Good. You can stay there, you shit. Okay, progress. Right, we need to open these up somehow. How? One of them's... Man, we gotta go right now. Gotta go the other way, I guess. Yeah. Treat. What's gonna happen? Okay, Johnny, good. How the hell? That's locked now. What's happened here? Am I stuck? Okay, so that's closed. Hey? I don't get this. I just fucked it up. Okay, right, so yeah, I think it's gone wrong because I can Any stones? No. Ah, okay, it's open both of them this time. No idea why. Aha, okay, lift. Next level. Don't know what the hell happened there. That looks like a gun. So what do I do? Unbelievable. Oh, let's go this way. Okay, is this a recharge thing? Oh no. Shit. That was quite good to do that first, actually, because that's sort of gone all the way around. I've had to have done it again. You know what I mean? This is a tricky one. Crikey. Another save point would be splendid. In fact, a save point on every screen would be nice. Oh, look who it is. Yeah, why not? Crikey, I was on 0. I really must use this. No, not that. The generator. Trapdoor. Good. So far, so good. Shit! Get down there. Oh, shit. One step ahead of you, matey. Dastardly. Right, I just remembered to use it then. It's too much for me, for my old knackered brain to think about. Okay. Level 5. Let's go the roll route. Shit. Can't get through here. I'm wise to your tricks, you ball of bastard Englishness. Okay, I've got a little... oh, that's a gun there. Shit. Save point. Yes. Kiss my face. Oh, this doesn't look very pleasant. How the hell do we do this? Like that. Okay. That was quite impressive. Okay. Yes. Ah, I thought that was a wall. Hit. Thank God there are save points, that's all I can say. Don't save it again, mate. Right, drop down there. Do that. Right, now we're going to have to use guile and a shitload of luck. Haha. You can't find me. Oh, you twat. That would have been brilliant if I hadn't put the gun away. Cat and mouse. Shit. Oh, you bastard. Oh, this is terrible. Oh my God. Do you like that? Do you like that? Right, this time I'm going to use pro fucking skills, alright? This. That's how you do it. That's how you bloody do it. God knows I'm going to do this bit now. Come on then, you scoundrel. Oh shit. That ain't going to work. Oh, that's what this line's gone. What on earth are you doing, man? Oh no, don't do that. Oh, almost. Oh, this is really hard because he can go to the gaps and I can't. Attempt number 3. I'm quite sure how to do this. Haha! He's playing dead. Well, you can bloody stay there, I'm not messing with you. Oh shit. How about that? Okay. Oh, there's 2 of them out of the way. Right, I'm going to leave them be. I'm quite humane towards cyborgs. Double mine. Luckily there was a wall there because I don't think I was going to make that. Oh great. This gun business is so annoying. Shit. Shit. Okay, good. That's a switch. Damn it. I was hoping to get some more juice in me shield thingamajogs. Oh, great. Yeah, climb up there. Oh, they didn't like that. Although he's not dead. They're not dead. Let sleeping dogs lie, that's what I say. Yep, give me some of that juice. Lovely. Charge me up. I mean, I don't know why I've got my force field equipped, because I'm never using the bloody thing. Yes, let them sleep. Oh, okay. There's a trap door there. Devious. Okay, so there's got to be a switch to open that door there. Oh, down there. Oh, I've got to go down and... Oh my god, they're back. Haha. Take that, you scoundrel. Yep. Good. Splendid. Okay, gonna have to do a running jump here. Oh, I've actually got a... Oh, I see. Right, okay. Gonna lose a bit of health here. Go for it, man! Yeah. Sweet. We're getting there. Level 3. Oh dear, look at this. Uh-oh. Quite easy to... Oh my god. Tricky on this one. Hey, it's indestructible. Look at that, I remembered to use the force field at the end when he's dead. Shit. John, you've got the reactions of a fucking... I don't know, what's got slow reactions? Sloth. Okay, let's go up here and take these out. There he is. Oh, good. Oh, hello. Oh my god, not two of them. Oh no, this ain't good. This is quite good action. Oh, lovely. More or less a miracle that I survived that, but... Yes, okay, let's save it. Okay, let's leave that ball where he is. maybe I've got to... Where... There's a door to be opened there, so... Yeah, it might be that I've got to kill them all. Fair enough. I'll play it your way. Okay, has that done it? This is where I fall off the edge. Yeah, okay, we had to kill them all. Fair enough, fair enough. The viewers want their death and destruction on all the old Death Tower show. Shit. It's pretty stupid. Thank God. God, it was as hard as a walnut. What have we got here? Switch. Oh, guess what that's going to do. Right, let's time it. Run! Come on then, you bastard. Excellent. I think I've got the measure of them now. It's only if there's 2, or God forbid it, 3 of the bastards that you've got trouble. Oh my God, this is level 1. Watch out. Yeah, I was ready for you, bastard. 2 shots in that time. Why not? We have a winner! Allow me to present Conrad! Crikey, Conrad, you look a bit weird. My dear Conrad, Titan Travel is happy to award you this superb journey to Earth. Some hours later, Conrad boards the Star Providence. Destination, Earth! Oh my God. Yes! Oh, that spaceship looks interesting. Looks like old 70s sci-fi artist Chris Foss. Well, I'll be darned, I've never been here before. Gert. Right, let's end it there, I think. It didn't take me as long as I thought it was going to, but there we are. Okay, level 3. No, level 4 next. Okay, thanks for watching. Be back soon. Cheerio.